To make the ruffle, you will need to add chain stitches before you do your single crochets. Remove the stitch marker. Crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then make 1 single crochet into the first stitch of the previous round. Chain 3 again. Insert your hook into the next stitch of the previous round and crochet a single crochet. This is your second sequence. Continue adding 3 chains before each single crochet until the end of the round. By the end of the round, you'll complete Octavia's ruffles.